Okay, I am Diki Rensa. I have two my friends named Rian and Ali Wahyudi. They both have younger sister. Every day they always call to give me now when then area in Polewali Mandar. I feel very happy to have friends like them because they are very keen to me. Thank you.
I am Rian Wijaya. I have a motorcycle and my motorcycle doesn't have a rear brake or any lease, but I really love my motorcycle because it has been with Mrs. my first semester until now. Thank you.